Are you confused about using your super to purchase property? The SMSF property rules can be tricky. A frequent question is, can I live in a property owned by my SMSF? The answer is no. But let's explore the reasons why and how to navigate these regulations. To start, your SMSF must pass the sole purpose test. This means your property can only serve to provide retirement benefits. Here are 3 key benefits of following SMSF property rules. 1. You avoid severe penalties by staying compliant. 2. Enjoy tax advantages like reduced capital gains tax on long-held properties. 3. Secure your investment for retirement, maximizing your wealth. We ensure you understand SMSF rules to keep your assets safe. Our accounting team and advice team collaborate to maximize benefits. In summary, remember to comply with the sole purpose test, rent to third parties only, and use an LRBA for borrowing. Ready to secure your retirement through property investment? Call Hudson Financial Partners at 1800 804 296 or book a consultation online today. Don't risk your future. Act now.